Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Friends, in such an economic scenario that we are facing right now, it helps to be on a group where there are a lot of like-minded individuals trying to create wealth through investment in stocks. If you want to go ahead and join a group where there are many experienced individuals who have seen previous stock market cycles, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. If you join the group, you will be able to go ahead and ask questions, share knowledge, and also be informed of any significant stock market developments. Now friends, in this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where HDFC Mutual Funds, HDFC Small and Mid Cap Fund has bought 30 lakh shares at rupees 122. The stock has fallen more than 50% from its 52-week high, and hence there seems to be a lot of value. The Scottish Oriental Smaller Companies Trust, First State Indian Subcontinent Fund and Caisse de Dépôt at Placement du Quebec, where the sellers with 9,95,880, 12,87,641 and 7,03,001 shares sold at the same price. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Suprajit Engineering Limited, which is available at rupees 117.20 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is SUPRAJIT. Now Suprajit Engineering Limited engages in the manufacture and sale of automotive and other components. Its product portfolio includes motion control solutions, headlamps and lighting, vehicle clusters and independent aftermarket products. The company was founded on May 24, 1985 and is headquartered in Bangalore, India. Now looking at the long-term chart for this company, we will find that this company has been on a beautiful uptrend since about 2015, but around 2018 it reversed and since then has been on a consistent decline. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 1639.31 crores. The EPS of 10.20 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 11.49, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 12.73. The price to book ratio of 2.12 is also on the lower side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.3907, whereas the return on equity is a decent number at 0.1943. The dividend yield is 1.32%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is lower than average at 44.56%. None of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't forget to join our free Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. Also, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.